The LAXIA mini circular saw impresses with its powerful motor that achieves a no-load speed of 3,400 revolutions per minute, making it ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professional tasks. Equipped with a laser guide and rip guide, this tool ensures precise and efficient cutting with maximum cutting depths of 1 11/16 inches at 90 degrees and 1 1/8 inches at 45 degrees. Its compact and portable design, weighing only 4 6/10 pounds with the battery, allows for easy transportation and reduced fatigue during extended use. The ergonomic design includes a double protection switch to prevent accidental starts and a soft rubber handle for comfortable one-handed operation. A vacuum adapter is included to maintain a clean working environment, further enhancing the tool's usability and convenience. The package is comprehensive, including 2 saw blades, a charger, rip guide, vacuum adapter, and more, ensuring you have everything needed for immediate use.